morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are the operation department of Star Industries. So, welcome to our presentation. Today, we will introduce our department and each member responsibilities. To have it easy to follow our presentation, we divide our presentation into three main parts, including staff introduction, department introduction, and relationship, and each member responsibility. Our department have two main parts. The first is material and purchasing. We have Mr. Zhang is materials and purchasing managers, and Mr. Anh is deliverer, and the next part is distribution. We have Mr. Nguyễn Văn Thủy is distribution manager, and Mr. Nguyễn Xuân Anh is distribution supervisor. Now I will answer the question, which is operation department. In the style industry, our main role of our department is purchasing materials, scheduling supply of materials, managing inventories, and distributing finished goods, including warehousing control. Now, my partner will continue our presentation.
Good morning. My name is Thuy, and I'm distribution manager of the operation department. Before going to my responsibility, I would like to brief you the relationship between operation and other department in style industry, and in order to explain why operation department is important and why this is considered as a central department of any manufacturing industry. First, for the relationship between operation department and manufacturing department, we receive the information from manufacturing department about the amount of material needed. Then we make the purchasing decision, then deliver the material to manufacturing department. After production, we will deliver the finished good to the warehouse, and it's ready to be distributed. For the relationship between our department with sales department, we will receive the customer order and information. Then we deliver the finished good to customer. Last but not least, the relationship between our department with finance department and HR department. We have to communicate and interact with the finance department and HR department for the purpose of prepare financial statement, for accounting purpose and for human resources purpose. I'm very proud to be one of the most important positions in style industry, which is distribution manager. Distribution manager is this role is increasingly important in many industry, particularly in manufacturing, wholesaler and retailer. As a distribution manager, my main role is to deal with supply chain management. I have to deal with supplier, customer, storage and transportation. I have to ensure the right goods are delivered to the right place on time and in the most cost-efficient way. What I need to do is to monitor and control the quality, quantity, the cost, and the efficiency of the movement and the storage of goods. Another important responsibility of distribution manager is communicate and negotiate with customer and supplier in order to maintain the relationship between the company and customer and get a better contract and better price from supplier. The last responsibility of distribution manager is cooperate with finance and manufacturing department, as I said before, is to prepare financial statement for accounting purpose, and I have to work with the kind of inbound logistics and outbound logistics to make sure that everything is in control and the final good is delivered to the final good is delivered to customer. Another important position within department operation is distribution supervisor. Please welcome Xuân Anh.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Xuân Anh and I am the distribution supervisor. My responsibility is to focus on two objectives mainly. The first one is the employee. What about this? The employee, in this part, I have to maintain the assistant overseeing those employees and conduct any training if necessary. The second objective is about the product. I have the responsibility to manage the product and ensure those products are well documented. And the last but not least, when the time the product leave the warehouse and involved in the process of transportation to the customer, my responsibility is to keep track of the status and so that I will be able to inform the customer about those status and make sure the customer will receive the product as a schedule. And material and purchasing management will continue.
Good morning, my name is I am sales and purchasing manager. There are three main responsibilities required for my position. The first one is to seek for reliable suppliers to produce quality goods at reasonable price. We mainly work with good suppliers come from Canada and the south of United States of America. Hopefully, we can find some credible suppliers to work in long term. Therefore, I may negotiate price and contract more effectively. And the last one is to determining quantity and timing of deliveries. This task plays an important role in our companies because our manufacturing techniques is just in time. Therefore, this task may affect the ability of our company to meet the market demand and also to reduce the warehousing space cost. And to achieve this task, our scheduler will help us to schedule. And now she will introduce more. As I introduced before, I am the scheduler of our department, and my role is speak with co-workers and customer regularly, and I have to devise plans of action and assess those plans. And thirdly, I organize deals with customer and be able to anticipate and show any problem. Overall, my responsibility is play with a calendar, a clock, and email to make sure everything be on time, suitable, and compile together effectively. And in conclusion, our department commit to fulfill positions, responsibility, and maintain sustainable relationship between departments and collaborating to achieve high profit and efficiency. So, thank you for listening.